We're here for the hair. Like, honey. Honey. Okay, so listen.
New life, new mind, all things behind. I'm feeling so brand new, baby. Everything new, baby.
What is up to all of my kings and queens? It's your girl Alexis Crown here, and I am back with another video for y'all. So if you haven't noticed, I got inches back. Now listen, this isn't going to be a permanent thing, but y'all know before I went natural I was wearing my inches. Even when I was natural I was wearing inches. That's how I grew my hair. I honestly kept my hair in braids. Anyway, now this hair is by Ali Julia, and you can get it on AliExpress. I will include all of the information down in the description below, but I have in a 22 frontal, 2 24 bundles, and 1 26 bundle. So far the hair is super soft. I got body wave and I straightened it out. Not a lot of shedding when I ran my hands through the bundles. Nice body, like it feels and looks lightweight, like if that makes sense. Today I'm bringing you an initial review, so it's basically just gonna be how I prepped the hair before I made the wig and my thoughts on initial installation. So basically I dyed the hair, bleached the knots, made the wig, and I installed it. final results. So this is how long it is, and I'm 5'8", so if you want to see me style it, I haven't had inches in so long. Like, look at that body, y'all. I'm going to style it tomorrow, and y'all probably see it maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, but I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna show you up close, like the frontal and everything once the glue dries all the way. But I just wanted to get up here and show you the initial install before it gets too late. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.